I'm Genevieve Rossetti, and I'm a scientist in research in the protein biochemistry group at CSL. So I am involved in early stage research where I look at potential medicines can potentially end up as a therapeutic to help treat people with some rare diseases and give them the opportunity to lead a normal life. What really excites me is I get my hands first on those proteins that can eventually become a medicine in the future. And I guess the main thing that I love about this job is the people, really. I feel really privileged to be able to work alongside some of Australia's, if not the world's sharpest minds. So when I finished my honours, I was a biology teacher for a year and a half.
The part that I enjoyed the most was the interaction with the young kids, and especially for the ones who are really interested in the science.
After that, I moved to Australia. I have two girls, one who's 8 and the other one who's 5.
I think my eldest, she wants to be a fashion designer. My youngest thinks she's going to follow a path in science. She would notice something while we're driving in the car and would say to me, "Oh, I've just noticed that the sun is following us. Like, why is that?" And honestly, these are things I have to Google myself.
Hi, I'm Genevieve. I'm an everyday trailblazer from CSL.
To hear more about our everyday trailblazers and how they're driven by our promise, visit csl.com.